what I use currently is something called Selix, but that is changing. I'll show you Selix. So this is what I currently use, Selix, but because of the way that my own Amazon businesses are going, and what I am starting to do more and more, myself and my business partner in Raw Local, Mike Oldroyd, we are approaching companies and who have got existing products on Amazon. Sorry, who are not selling on Amazon, they've got existing products. And we are approaching those companies using a variety of different mediums to get in touch with them. And basically saying to them, hey, look, you really should be selling your products on Amazon. Why don't you come and let us do that for you? And we've got a couple of different ways that we're enabling people to do that, either directly through our own Amazon platform or through setting up a platform for them. And that's something that Mike and myself are developing, and that's one of the reasons for hiring. We've just recently hired a load of new people, which is always crazy times to train them all up. So we've just hired a load of new people, and we've just done that. In actual fact, we just signed up a new person. Let me just see if I can find the website for you. So we just signed these up over the weekend. This is a company called Aqualove, and we are now their exclusive partner on Amazon, which is pretty bloody cool. So, and I am building out the systems and everything appropriate for that, including all the legal documents. I just spent $17,000 on legal documents, and I'm building all that into a system. And when that system is ready, rest assured, I will enable you guys to get that system so you can see what we're doing, and I'll make sure it's all done at a cool deal for you. However, as a result of the way that I am playing the Amazon game now, I'm looking for something else to use. So I was using Selix, and Selix is perfect if you are selling your own products on Amazon. So if that's where you are at, then Selix is awesome, and that does a great job of that. But so what I'm now looking at is one called Seller Active. Now this does inventory management for eBay, for Amazon, for Jet, for a Shopify website, and a load of other things too. And so I'm looking at this. I haven't made my final decision yet, but I'm just showing you the products that I'm looking at. So I'm looking at Seller Active, and Seller Active looks very good. The other one I'm looking at is ecom-.com. So ecom-.com also does what's multi-channel, which is what I'm looking for, multi-channel inventory control. So I'm looking at that too. And I just I emailed the guys at Selix as well and said, look, this is what I'm trying to do. Do you have something that will enable me to do that? And they said that they have something kind of similar, which is called their Vendor Edition. Let's just go back and I'll show you that. So this Vendor Edition here, they think that this will do what I want it to do, but I'm not 100% convinced yet. So I'm looking at Seller Active and e-commerce Dash, but that's only because I'm looking at getting lots and lots of brands and then running them all through the same platform and then doing it that way. But if you're just going to focus on your own brand and your own product, which is probably 99% of people who are listening to this, then Selix Standard Edition, this one right here, is what I've used for ages, and I really like it. So that's one of the reasons I got in touch with them, because I just wanted to see if they could either put something together for me or they had something in the pipeline. All right, so I hope that answers that question for you, Kate and Jeremy. Let me know if it doesn't. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.